യേശുനാഥൻ ഗലീലി കടത്തിരയിൽ തോണിയേറി വല വീശി പോണോരെ കണ്ട് അവരോടന്നു ചൊല്ലി സ്നേഹമോട് ദേവദൂതകൾ. ഒരിക്കൽ യേശുനാഥൻ ഗലീലി കടത്തിരയിൽ തോണിയേറി വല വീശി പോണോരെ കണ്ട് അവരോടന്നു ചൊല്ലി സ്നേഹമോട് ദേവദൂതകൾ. അലകടലിൽ അലയും മുക്കുവരെ ഒരുമയോടെ വരുവിൻ കഥ പറയാ. അലകടലിൽ അലയും മുക്കുവരെ ഒരുമയോടെ വരുവിൻ കരകയറാ. ഒരിക്കൽ യേശുനാഥൻ ഗലീലി കടത്തിരയിൽ തോണിയേറി വല വീശി പോണോരെ കണ്ട് അവരോടന്നു ചൊല്ലി.
This melodious singing will not be heard from Father George again. The smile will not brighten our hearts again. It has become part of our memory. He has joined in the heavenly choir, singing the glories of God the Father. In his life, he bloomed wherever he was planted. Now he has bloomed in beauty in the heavenly garden. Father George hails from Varanthirappilli parish of Thrissur Archdiocese. He was born on July 3, 1941 to parents Ittiara and Annam. He is one among the 8 children of the Chikalical family, and he has a sister in the Holy Spirit congregation. His first profession in the CMI congregation was on May 16, 1961. He was ordained priest on 17 May 1970. After his ordination, he served a brief stint in Kerala and was sent to the newly formed Saga Mission to be in the pioneering team of missionaries. With great zeal and enthusiasm, he started mission work at Shampura, identifying himself with the poor in their joys and sorrows. He gave employment to many through the Food for Work program. Within a short time, he won the hearts and minds of all. From Shampura, he went to Idkeri to be the parish priest and also assisted in seminary. Thereafter he moved to Guna, and there he served as the prior of Christ Home Monastery. He has rendered his services as counselor of evangelization, director of Sagar Bhavan, superior of Carmel Ashram Sagar, Guru Nivas Tada, RDSS Silvani. Outside the Sagar mission, Father George also served as administrator of Anudhavana Novitiate, Mancherial, and Darshana Institute of Philosophy, Wardha. Finally, Father George was serving as prefect in the new provincial house, Bhopal, with warm and generous hospitality, cheerfulness, and availability to others. Father George was a multi-talented man, a gifted musician, an excellent chef, who found happiness in providing for the needs of others generously. He was ever available and serviceable. He never said no to anybody. It was in 2010 he celebrated his Golden Jubilee. Father George was in Kerala for the summer holidays, and on 9th May, he was in Sagar Bhavan, Thrissur, meeting all the fathers and brothers from the Bhopal province on vacation, and proceeded home to celebrate the Holy Mass on the next day. By 4:30 a.m., he felt uneasiness and asked for help and Holy Communion. Soon he was rushed to nearby St. Joseph's Hospital at Velupadam. The doctors diagnosed a massive but silent heart attack and tried their level best to save him. By 5:30 a.m., he breathed his last, responding to the call of the risen Lord for the eternal rest. On the persistent request of parishioners and relatives for paying the last homage to the departed soul, his body was taken to the Immaculate Heart Monastery, Varandarapalli, and thereafter Assumption Church, Pallikun, prior to the funeral.
विदा ले रहा हूँ हे मेरे जन, दे रहा हूँ मैं सबको आशीर्वाद। दिव्य कर्मों के अनुष्ठान करने को अब से यहाँ मैं नहीं आऊंगा।
अमर राज में तू मुझको ले जा, अमर जीवन की महिमा मुझे तू दिखा। अमर राज में तू मुझको ले जा, अमर जीवन की महिमा।
The funeral ceremonies of Father George were conducted at 3 p.m. on Sunday, 13 May 2012 at Sagar Bhavan Chapel, Thrissur. The funeral mass was celebrated by Mar Anthony Chiriyat, Bishop of Sagar, and the final part of the ceremonies was officiated by Mar Andrews Tarath, Archbishop of Thrissur. Father George Tanjan, Vicar General, Father Ando Karokaran, Provincial Bhopal, Father Alex Urudhayapalli, Provincial Kochi, Father Paul Achandi, Provincial Thrissur, Father Joseph Vidayathil, and Father George Chakalakal CMI, his nephew, were the main concelebrants of the funeral mass. Father Denny, Provincial Councillor for Finance, delivered the eulogy.
ജോർജറ്റിന്റെ പ്രചോദനം നിലനിൽക്കുവാനായിട്ട് നമുക്ക് സാധിക്കണം. നമ്മുടെ പ്രാർത്ഥനകൾ ജോർജറ്റിലൂടെ ആയിരിക്കട്ടെ. കാരണം ജോർജറ്റിന് നമ്മളെ അറിയാം, നമുക്കും ജോർജറ്റിനെ അറിയാം. ആ ഒരു ധൈര്യത്തോടു കൂടെ നമുക്ക് ജീവിതത്തെ ആഘോഷിക്കാം.
A large number of priests, sisters, relatives, friends, and the faithful participated in the funeral rites.
दीपक जो जल रहा था प्रभु की पावन वेदी पर, जलते जलते मिट गया है वो जग ज्योति में समा गया है। दीपक जो जल रहा था प्रभु की पावन वेदी पर, जलते जलते मिट गया है वो जग ज्योति में समा गया है। रो रही है आज कलीसिया, आहें भर रही है बलिवेदी। रो रही है आज कलीसिया, आहें भर रही है बलिवेदी। आहें भर रही है बलिवेदी। दीपक जो जल रहा था प्रभु की पावन वेदी पर, जलते जलते मिट गया है वो, जग ज्योति में समा गया है।
स्वर्गीय यरूशलेम सच्चिद है आज आपका सुस्वागत के लिए। स्वर्गीय यरूशलेम सच्चिद है आज आपका सुस्वागत के लिए।
आपका सुस्वागत के लिए। दीपक जो जल रहा था प्रभु की पावन वेदी पर, जलते जलते मिट गया है वो, जग ज्योति में समा गया है।